can't see anything.
Is that everybody?
Yeah, I wonder why.
Well, now we have flashlights. Where the fuck is this thing?
Somebody literally moved the light switch. It's not there.
I think it's Bryce. He fucking takes it away.
Where's the computer?
I can't find where you put it, Josh.
I didn't put it anywhere. I'm laughing that you
Yeah,
can even
you
move
did.
it. Oh, I found it.
Where is it?
There it is. Somebody fucking looked at it.
Yeah, somebody. Wonder who did that. It's crazy. Somebody here's really goofy. The fact that you can move that is fucking. I Google how to find the light switch, Lethal Company, and the first thread is, can we disable moving light switches? Creepers are ruining the game. That's why I was laughing. I just watched you.
What are you talking about?
What? That's crazy. I'm gonna buy the upgraded light switch.
Dude, the light, you never find the light switch.
Alright, that's locked in.
Where's the fucking
We're rich,
light
though.
switch?
Oh, we haven't sold.
Do we just carry that as the light switch?
This is my light switch.
Bryce
Oh,
moved
yeah.
the light switch.
Yeah, I watched him move it.
He can turn it on.
Josh, if you watch me move it, you would know where it is.
Yeah, I know it's in this general area. Trying to think where I'd put it. But then I was like, no, that's too good. He's not that good.
Josh
It
looked
does-
right at it.
I am? Dude, it doesn't help that the graphics are so bad, like it makes it so hard to find.
Let's make it a good day, boys.
Stay behind me, my liege.
Fuck yeah, you're the one with the flashlight.
Bag bitch.
Alright, notice the lights
You
turned
can
off.
feel like a
Jordan.
baby
I didn't
back
do
bitch,
it.
but we have a lot of money to turn in.
Oh, that's fair.
The autopilot to the company building.
It's down here, buddy.
Bro, you can put this thing in some dumbass places.
Where?
Look, down, right. I'm about to be in here for hours, finding places to put that.
No.
Hey Jordan, look, there's a homo on the shelves.
Whoa!
Keep him in there.
Alright, get out of there, stop goofing around.
Whoa!
Hey.
Hey, I got 2 keys. Fuck, run! Oh, fuck me, my tight ass.
Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I'm gonna get him!
Oh, I'm dead as fuck.
Son. Reorganizing it, making this shit so
Over. Can you hear me? I repeat, over. My brother is dead. Oh my god. Oh shit. Bear fucker, do you copy? It has to be done. Jordan! Come on, buddy. Come on. Work the computer like you used to.
Work the computer.
I will go into the fucking.
Bryce, you going with him?
I pretty much can't go at the 1,000 feet. I'm a preschool. What the fuck?
Oh shit!
They go through closed doors.
This game's clearly broken in many ways.
Oh, this game sucks dick.
Random Clippies.